Hey traders, hey traders, hey traders, hey traders. I know it's been a while since I shared videos with you guys, or since I uploaded a video to you guys. I've been running on YouTube Shorts. You can follow me on TikTok, COT4600. That's my TikTok account where we share exclusive Forex memes, and I'm also share them on my YouTube Shorts. But on today's video, I want to share with you guys how many traders could have capitalized on this move that we shared, or the anticipation that we had on our weekly trading outlook on Sunday, that we uploaded on Sunday for this week, which was from the 18th up and until the 22nd of November. If you didn't watch, or if you didn't view that video, I guess you can go now back to my weekly outlooks playlist and click the recent video on that playlist, like your 18 to the 22nd of November outlook, and see how we anticipated a possible uptrend on gold. But before we get any further, thank you guys for subscribing, thank you guys for sharing, thank you guys for leaving comments, and thank you guys for showing the interactions and the love on our COT Academy page. I highly appreciate it and I'm highly grateful. You guys know that I keep on sharing gems and adding value into your trading journey. All I ask of you guys is just subscribe, share the videos, leave a comment, share, turn on the notification bell, and most of all, sign up with the broker that I highly recommend and trade with. Or if you want to be part of our COT Academy team, we're having 3 exclusive mentorship services. I'm gonna leave my number down below. You can either leave a comment, text us, WhatsApp us, call us, or just DM us on Instagram that you're interested, and let COT Academy do the rest from there. But without further ado, let me share to you guys how many traders could have capitalized on this anticipation that we anticipated on Sunday for this wonderful trading week, right? So everything started on the 4 hour, but I just don't need to head to the 4 hour because I just want to show you guys how you could have capitalized. But the 4 hour just has a zone that we could have used, right? Because it was the zone was like important in a way that we have to use it in a way, shape, or form, right? So when I do this, you guys can clearly see that this is the very same zone I'm gonna be talking about, or I'm talking about, right? So if and I had to break down to you guys right here, when we previously look at this chart, price was just in an uptrend, right? So price at this all-time high, and then had this higher low formation, and then we continue creating what all-time highs, right? So we took this for our zone in anticipation that price once had this higher low formation right here. Once price created this higher low previously, all we now anticipated currently is that if this higher low led into price creating this all-time high and this all-time high and this all-time high, like 3 all-time highs, what will be stopping it from doing what? From having a continuation or a possible reversal to the downside, because price was just enabled in a downtrend, right? So we now understood that, okay, we have a zone from our 4 hour, the previous higher low. So from the hourly time frame, when I can show you guys how we managed to capitalize, or how price clearly showed us that we were more than confident to have to capitalize on these moves, right? So well, you now can clearly see, guys, that okay, what we share, what I'm about to share to you guys is what's obviously pure like cocaine in the 80s, because this is the hourly time frame. That's why we have to make it look kind of like picture perfect, right? So right here, how we could have capitalized, it all started on Friday, right? It all started on Friday. Well, you guys can clearly see right here, the price hit a violation on Thursday and Friday. On Thursday, price hit a violation of our word of our higher low, that 4 hour intraday zone that we have marked out, right? This rectangle, right? So price hit a breakout, and price again gave us a break above. So from having a violation, price again traded above this very same zone. Once we had that, we now saw what? Bullish candlesticks, or let me just say bullish structure or bullish momentum, right? Candlesticks that are confirming to us that there is a possibility that price might obviously give us a possible reversal based on price having a violation, having a breakout, and a break above that very same 4 hour zone and giving us hourly time frame, that hourly candlesticks, which are bullish momentum candlesticks, right? So this was our first confirmation price, giving us a breakout and a break above with bullish candlesticks. The second confirmation, right? This could have been our first trade, guys. Just to be quite frank with you guys, this could have been our first anticipation based on based on obviously based on obviously price hit this push, and this exhaustion. So this exhaustion is just basically price giving us a exhaustion phase to create a bullish flag pattern, right? Something like this, right? Possibility price will give us a continuation is very high. So price at this push and this exhaustion will pull back, and then all we waited for was to just price to violate. Let me use the horizontal day. All we now waited for in order for us to capitalize on this confirmation once was price gave us a what, a break above our what, our very same high, right? Looking forward for continuations to the upside. So this could have been our first entry. Our second entry, once price hit this continuation, right, and this pullback and this continuation, here we could have capitalized simple, because now price again giving us this higher high and this higher low and break above our higher high and trading above our higher high. This could have been our what, our second entry right here. This could have been our second entry. Our third entry, following again price action and bullish behavior, right? Price again hit this what, this higher high. So from this continuation of a higher high and a higher low, price breaking above our higher high, price breaking above this higher high on this with this bullish candlesticks. That's our third confirmation into what, anticipating those moves to the upside. Do you guys get that? So the first one could have been here, price giving us a bullish flag, right, and breaking above our bullish flag. That's the first confirmation, first entry. Second entry, price creating a higher high and a higher low and breaking above our higher high and trading above our higher high. This could have been our second entry. The third entry, following the first setup, right, the second setup, how it played out, price giving us a higher high and a higher low and a break above our higher high and a trade above our higher high, anticipating those continuations to the upside, right? So as price continues creating higher high, creating higher low, creating higher high, creating higher low, creating higher high, creating higher low, right here could have been kind of tricky for you guys, because you can tell that obviously price is now having what, first reaction, second reaction, third reaction, fourth reaction. But that's not the case of how hard it could have been, for traders to capitalize, because all I can say to you guys is once price had this multiple reactions, price now created what, our support, with price now giving us what, with now price creating the support and price having highs that formed our what, our support. Once price gave us a break above our highs from price creating our support, this has been our what, our fourth anticipation into what, that bullish continuation to the upside. You guys get that? And as you still look at it, right, as you still look at it, you can tell that price was still simply continuing to the upside, still continuing creating higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, right? The other one that you could have easily capitalized was on this one. Once we had price creating this higher high and this higher low and this higher high again coming back to our higher high without a violation and a push to the downside. Once price gave us this violation, right, once we had this violation to the upside breaking above our higher highs, you could have now understood that obviously this break above our higher highs is our fifth confirmation into price giving us a continuation to the upside. You guys get that? So let's be mindful, or let's see how easily we could have capitalized, even though price action doesn't seem easy most of the time, right? We understand that right here, price had a breakout and a break above and bullish momentum candlesticks, right? And from price having this momentum candlesticks, price gave us a pullback, one exhaustion phase, creating our bullish flag, right? Once price gave us a break above, once we had this break above our higher high, once we had this break above our higher high and our bullish flag pattern, that's when we anticipated those moves to the upside. This was our first confirmation. The second confirmation was simply when price had this higher high and this break above our higher high and trade above our higher high. Once price gave us momentum for anticipating a continuation to the upside, this could have been where we could have capitalized, right? Based on what? Based on price creating a higher high and a higher low, break above our higher high, creating a new higher high, and trading above our higher high, confirming to us that we still are having momentum above that previous higher high. Right, what happened from there? Price had a continuation, right? The third one could have looked like the second one. Price had a higher high and a higher low and a break above our higher high. This could have been our wood, our third person, our third entry, right? Based on the very same approach. And on our fourth entry, you guys understand it could have been kind of tricky because price had this higher high and price had this higher high and higher low, coming back to our higher high, pulling back down, trading below our very same higher high, but still failing to break above previous higher lows, right? What happened from there? Prices created our support. How you could have capitalized on based on this support zone or break above, but because we wait for a break above previous highs, if our structure is strongly bullish and our behavior is bullish, what do we wait for? We wait for price to simply violate our highs. And when once happened, what happens from there? You can simply see that this is what we could have took and this is how we could have capitalized. Do you guys get that? So as price continues, we created a higher high and a higher low, coming back again our higher high, whether we failed to violate that higher high. What happened from there? Price had this intraday push, but the bulls were still strong on the charts. What happened from there? Price gave us a violation of our what? Of our higher high. And what happened from there? That's when we anticipated what? Continuations to the upside. So you can clearly see, guys, that price action is always king, and price action will forever help you or forever make you grow your trading experience, your trading profits, your trading account, and far most importantly, your trading confidence and discipline. Because you can now see that, okay, our structure was bearish before it was bullish, right? There was a certain zone from the 4 hour that price couldn't violate. Well, price had a violation, and from price having a violation, it still traded above that very same zone. And from there, price gave us a bullish pattern. So that bullish pattern was a confirmation to us that above that very same 4 hour zone, we are strong. And what happened from there? Price started pushing up. With a push up, you can tell the price had a high that was created and a violation of that high. That's when we capitalized. Again, price created a high and a violation of that high. That's when we capitalized. Price had a high and a violation of that high. That's when we capitalized. Price created support and violated our highs. Once we had momentum on that very same support, what happened from there? Price had a push. On the fourth one, price had a high and price traded above that rate, below the very same high until we had a violation of that high, and that's how we capitalized. So if you want to learn this concretely, because I've already gave you the chance that you need, but if you want to capitalize the way we capitalize, or if you want to understand the way we want to show you, or the way we want to teach you, and the way I always teach you guys on our YouTube channel, then I guess you can leave a comment. You can text us on WhatsApp, call us on WhatsApp, or just give us a phone call, or DM us on Instagram, or DM us, or just leave a comment on this very same video and let us do the rest from there. But our aim is to make you guys learn, make you guys gain experience, make you guys gain knowledge, and make you guys be 1% and professional like you're destined to be. But without further ado, enough has been shared, all has been shared. I look forward to see you guys on our weekly trading outlooks. That's Sopo Harlem, and we're signing out.